guys, what's going on out there?
Hey guys, we're just learning about a thunderstorm and how a thunderstorm builds and could maybe produce a tornado. It's always fun how the kids like the thunderstorms and the tornadoes. We get right into the most severe weather. But what I think is really cool about Valley Crest Elementary is these second graders are in the dual immersion program, and we're learning both English and Espanol. Sí, es correcto? Sí. Sí. I want to hear, does anybody know, sabes a word in Espanol? That's the weather. Okay? Like, how about, who knows rain? Does anybody know rain? Let me see. She knows rain. We're going to go right up over here. Okay? ¿Cuál es tu nombre?
Vanessa.
Vanessa. Hola, Vanessa. How's my Espanol?
Good.
Sí, así. Oh, I got good. So what's the word for rain in Espanol?
Lluvia.
Lluvia. Very good. How about snow? Does anybody know snow? My favorite word. You raise your hand. Let's go right over here. Look up at the camera right there. And what is the word for snow?
Nieve.
¿Te gusta nieve? Mucho? Mucho?
Mm-hmm.
Yes. All right. So I think it's great these guys are learning words, weather words in both English and Spanish, and they're helping me go back to 8th grade. You guys are learning this in 2nd grade. I learned my Espanol in 8th grade. Let's get to our weather forecast right now. So guys, we're going to show the TV graphics on TV, but you can still hear us, okay? So we're going to give everybody the weather forecast, and listen closely because we have big changes for this weekend. Much, much cooler air. You guys are probably going to need your jackets this weekend, or at least a raincoat coming up on Friday. Right now, we've got warm temperatures out there. There's a lot of cloud cover out there. Does anybody know the word for cloud in Espanol? In Espanol? ¿Qué? What's the word? Think about it. We'll come back to you. We're going to get that word. But there are a lot of clouds over northern Utah, but even though we've got all of this cloud cover, we've got temperatures that are way, way, way above average. The average high for Salt Lake City is 72, and we're already above that. The low only got to about 68 this morning, so it was a warm morning, and we'll look at a very warm afternoon. Now, on the satellite, there's low pressure just off the coast of California, but Joaquin is off the coast of Florida. That's on the other side of the country. Don't worry, guys. Hurricanes never hit Utah, but the hurricane, becoming a hurricane, Joaquin could follow Superstorm Sandy, which happened when you guys probably were in kindergarten. So you may not remember, but Superstorm Sandy hit the East Coast very, very hard, caused a lot of flooding, a lot of damage, and we'll have to watch this weekend the East Coast for significant rain, wind as Joaquin moves closer there. So pinpoint forecast for Utah for today. Very warm. It feels like summer, right? Doesn't feel like fall or winter or spring. It just feels like summer. It will be a cloudy day up north. There will be sunshine down south. Tomorrow, everybody gets into the sunshine. It's the warm before the storm. Salt Lake City, we should be warmer tomorrow, up into the upper 80s. So we have school tomorrow at least? Yes? Okay. So you can wear shorts tomorrow. It will be warm and windy, but on Friday, much, much cooler. A 20-degree temperature drop. It will feel like fall on Friday with some rain, with some mountain snow, maybe down below 10,000 feet. So that means the tops of the ski areas will even be getting snow. We have lots of snow lovers here at Valley Crest Elementary. That's why I love this class. St. George, southern Utah, we may get another storm developing around Monday and Tuesday of next week. So how do you guys feel about knowing the whole forecast already? Right? Are we good?
Right.
Are we good? What's the word for cloud? Nubes, right? Nubes. All right, see, I told you we would get that. See, you're smart. You thought of it. So we're going to have another check of the pinpoint forecast. But in the meantime, what do you think? Should we go back to thunderstorms and learn about hurricanes too, maybe? Yeah. That sounds a good idea. All right. We've got a second grade class full of weather nerds just like me. It's cool to be a weather nerd. So we'll have more coming up in just a little bit. Back to you in the studio.